Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to achieve that radiant, glowing skin, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to discuss 5 things that are just magical for skin glow. 1. Vitamin C Serum. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps brighten your skin, reduce pigmentation, and promote collagen production. Regular use of a vitamin C serum can give your skin a radiant glow and even out your complexion. Apply a few drops of vitamin C serum to your face every morning before your moisturizer and sunscreen. Make sure to choose a serum with a stable form of vitamin C, such as L-ascorbic acid, for the best results. 2. Hydration. Keeping your skin hydrated is key to achieving a natural glow. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and incorporate hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelons, and oranges into your diet. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can also boost your skin's hydration with a good moisturizer and hydrating masks. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin in your skincare products. 3. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, allowing fresh, new skin to surface. This not only gives your skin a healthy glow but also helps your skincare products penetrate better. You can exfoliate using physical scrubs with gentle beads or opt for chemical exfoliants like AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, and BHAs, beta-hydroxy acids. Be sure to exfoliate 2-3 times a week, depending on your skin type. 4. Sleep. During sleep, your skin repairs and regenerates, which helps maintain its youthful appearance and radiance. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep every night. Host. Number 5. Healthy diet. What you eat has a direct impact on your skin's health. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats can help your skin look its best. Incorporate plenty of leafy greens, berries, nuts, and seeds into your diet. Focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon, as well as flax seeds and chia seeds, are particularly beneficial for maintaining skin hydration and elasticity. By incorporating these 5 magical things into your skincare routine and lifestyle, you can achieve a natural, radiant glow. Let's recap. 1. Vitamin C Serum. 2. Hydration. 3. Exfoliation. 4. Sleep. 5. Healthy diet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and skincare tips. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.